Lesson 1-4, Concept 4, Solving Equations to Find an Indicated Value. Sometimes you'll be given an equation and you'll need to solve that equation in order to find the value of a variable that you will then use to solve an expression. All right, so in this case, if x plus 3 equals 5, then we're going to use whatever value x turns out to be to find 6x. And this is a fairly simple problem. So we would subtract 3 from both sides, and we would find that x equals 2. We would take that value and plug it in for this x, and we would have 6 times 2, and 6 times 2 would be 12. And that is all you need to do when you are using the value that you find from an equation to solve an expression.